subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the updates instantaneously. Hello everyone and welcome to MHC Tech Talks. In today's video, I am going to talk about the new earbuds from Redmi called as Redmi Earbuds S. So without wasting any time, let's jump straight into the video. So guys, this is the case of the Redmi Earbud S and this is made up of plastic. And talking about the build quality, so the build quality of this case is quite good, and this one has got the micro USB port for charging. They could have given the type C port, but nevertheless they have provided micro USB. So the build quality of the case is quite good. So this is the case itself, and these are the earbuds, and the earbuds are quite light in weight. The specification says that the weight of each of the earbuds is roughly around 4 to 5 grams, so it makes it quite light in weight. And the material which is used for this one is again plastic. So this one has got the LED at the front side, as you can see. I mean, both the earbuds have the LED at the front side, and we also have the tactile button at the top. I mean, by pressing this button you can have few of the functions like activating the voice assistant, or maybe if you are listening to songs, you can just play and pause, or forward the song, or I mean you can change the song with this one. So those activities have been mentioned, and also you can receive the call or cancel the call by tapping onto this button. So this is something good which they have given as a part of the functionality. Talking about the battery, so each of these have the inbuilt battery of around 43 mAh, and which gives the playback sound of around 3 to 4 hours continuously. Well, it would depend upon the volume as well as how frequent you are connecting and disconnecting with your phone. So approximately you will get roughly around 3 to 4 hours of battery life. And once, I mean, you have charged completely, so this case also acts as a charger for this one, and this case can charge this earbuds 2 to 3 times. So that is what Redmi claims, but battery wise, I mean I'm satisfied with the performance of this one. Music quality is also good. Also, this one is sweat proof, so if you're planning to use it for gym or for some workout, then also this would be useful for you. Now coming about the pricing in India, so this one is priced at 1799, so roughly around 1800 for this one. The same variant is available in China for around rupees 1000, and we had even done the unboxing of that one previously in our channel. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to have a look at that one. So if Xiaomi had priced it around 1500, then that would have made it a deal breaker. But nevertheless, if you're looking for some earbuds or that too truly wireless, then this is one of the options which you can try. So this is all about the Redmi Earbuds S, and nothing fancy about this one, all basic things, but yeah, it makes it value for the money. So that is all for today's video. If you have any questions related to it, so drop in your comments and I will try to answer all those things. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe to our channel. Also do like the videos because it motivates me to create such videos. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in next one.